What's up, guys?
Can we try and sit in the Lamborghini?
Want to sit in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. You ever been in a Lamborghini?
No.
No? Go ahead, sit in it.
Are you a car photographer?
No, I'm a real estate agent.
Nice.
I sell houses. Go open it.
That's a nice car. I like your car.
Thanks.
That's cool. Is it an Aventador or a Hurricane?
Hurricane.
Nice.
Yes, we're finally done the renovation. The whole house is complete. I'm gonna go over there, take some pictures, do some drone shots, get it ready to list on the MLS, and hopefully we'll get this house sold. And then I'll release what we bought it for, what we sold it for, how much we put in, everything like that. So yeah, excited to get this house done with and see what profit we make. We did some very tasteful renovations, and hopefully it sells quick. So let's go check it out. Let me take you guys for a little tour and see how it turned out. So you can see we got the new garage doors installed. We also painted the trim around the garage doors, and we ended up painting the side of the house too to match the front. So yeah, I think it turned out good. I also trimmed this tree so you can actually see the front of the house now. Before it was covered and you couldn't see the house. But let's go inside and check this out. So as you come in, took some of my furniture to stage it here. Yeah, we ended up going with the darker stair color because we couldn't find something to match the floors. But that's the foyer. And there's the 100-year-old barn beam that we used for the fire mantle. Now, a couple of things that we should have done, and we thought of it a little too late, was instead of putting a new window here, we should have put some sliding doors to walk right out into the deck. Then it would have been a indoor-outdoor living, and I still kind of want to put a barn door here so that it could cover this space up. Yeah, that's the extra living room. Just close this door here. So stairs are all done. As we walk up, we have the open concept design that you can see now. It's all wall to wall. Opened up makes a real big difference. And we have the waterfowl island. As you can see, the veins in it matches up. And with that 10-inch overhang, we can put the bar chairs in there. And it's a 7-foot island, so we got room to sit for comfortably. And yeah, we got the big sink, and the marble backsplash. Sliding range, stainless steel appliances. Smallest bedroom here. Put a little Barcelona bed in here to stage it. And the washroom. Everything's done now. All new fixtures. And the marble accent feature there. So all this is also the same quartz as the kitchen. It's the master bedroom. Nice size, can easily fit a king. Add a little touch of bling in here for the closets. Has a nice view of the outside. And we'll just fly through this and go to the downstairs. The basement rec room or extra living room, and then we made the extra bedroom. And the washroom, if you guys can remember, was a tiny little washroom. So we bumped out the wall a bit into the laundry room. And now we have this stand-up shower. And this side's the entrance to the garage. And those new garage doors put a lot of light into here. So yeah, the house is finally done. It's about time. It was altogether just about 3 months it took us to get it done. Now mind you, it's just me and my partner doing this, the whole house. The only thing we hired out was for the countertops and the windows. Everything else we did ourselves. Total good job, but happy with the way it came out. Now it's gonna be time to put it on the market. And oh yeah, there's my old Lambo Rat artwork using to stage it. Once this place is sold, hopefully it sells quick. Once this place is sold, then I'll list everything that we spent on the renovation, what we bought it for, what we ended up selling for, and at the end, how much profit did we make on this house with a 3-month turnaround. Let's get this house sold and move on to the next investment.